insulation was supposed to be here tomorrow. I checked on it. Not sounding like it's gonna be here tomorrow, but that's okay, because I gotta take care of this next project. Here is my sump. I'm gonna put my pump in. I'm gonna run that into that because I'm getting water down in my crawl space. And it rained, I don't know, like 5 inches or whatever, and I keep getting a little bit of water down there. I don't know if my French drain along the outside is crushed or water under the dirt. I'm not quite sure, but this is my only thinking of solving the solution to the water problem down there, because I can't have water under the house. It's not good. And I almost did have it dried out, as you can hear the fans running. So anyways, gathering up all my stuff, and got that stuff this morning, and we're gonna go down and start digging. I did get a lid also. I'll have to fiddle with this. That goes on top of here. You'll see that later on, I'm sure. I want to put a cover on it so at least the critters or mice or something crawling around in there ain't gonna go in there and have a swim and end up stinking or something later. So anyways, let me get all my stuff down in the hole. I'll show you a little more down there, and carry on. All right, fun. I'm gonna dig. Put this in and suck a little bit of water out. I'll show you that when I get down. Get the old knee pads on because the gravel's sharp. Let's get everything down there. It's got to be done. I've been putting it off long enough, I guess. Anyways, let me get everything on down here and situated. There's a hole in the bucket. Get out the hole to get this in the hole. Maybe not. Alright, come on down. As you can see, I'm getting a little bit of water pooling up in here, and it's running. It's not so bad over here. This was the lowest point, but it's not. So, anyways, I'm gonna put this sump somewhere over here. Draw that outlet. And then I'm going to take that perforated corrugated pipe and run it down the edge where the fan is, down the edge of the footing. You gotta dig it down. And then run it all the way down into that sump, and then from here, there we go. Just put my hands over that for a minute. I don't know where the water's coming from. I don't know if my gutter's plugged up. I couldn't see the walls damp. I didn't seal the outside. So, manholes. I don't think it is. I think it's dirt. I do have a bunch of drain on the outside, but I don't know, maybe it's crushed. The water is running out of the end, but I think it's just getting so much water that something's not right. That's my plan. Put that in, get this pipe in, then I'm going to start pumping there and the discharge out to the other side somewhere. We'll get to that when we get to that. Anyways, let me get these cords and stuff situated and gotta dig a hole for that thing first thing. Let's do it.
I've been working like a dog day and night, trying to finish up this job and do it right. There's only a few things that a man like me needs, and Jesus whiskey, and you're right next to me, singing, hey honey, I'm coming home. I don't know why I'm gone so long. Hey honey, I'm coming home to you. Said, hey honey, promise please that you're gonna leave the light on for me. Hey honey, I'm coming home soon. You know what we're gonna do.
Oh, long way to go. That was joyous. Now we got more feet to dig, I guess. Oh my God!
That you put your time into him. Hell of a woman, sweet red wine, and how you choose. Well, let's get one thing straight. It ain't about what you do for me. Well, I'm gonna love you, and I love you loving me. Singing, hey honey, coming home. I don't know why I've been gone so long. Hey honey, I'm coming home to you. Said, hey honey, promise please that you're gonna leave the light on for me. Hey honey, I'm coming home soon. You know what we're gonna do, yeah. Coming home, I don't know why I've been gone so long. Hey honey, coming home, I don't know why I've been gone so long. Said, hey honey, coming home, I don't know why I've been gone so long. Said, hey honey, coming home to you. Hey honey, I'm coming home, I don't know why I've been gone so long. Hey honey, I'm coming home to you.
There you go. Probably time to shut her down. It's time to shut her down. Well, there's the rest. 2 hours over. There's the pipe. Show you what we got going on. I gotta dig a pipe down the edge of that all the way to here, and then down that edge I'm gonna go up that corner to where that fan is. Now I got 100 feet of pipe, which is more, but it's the same. 50. So I got extra. If I need it, I got it. I don't think I'll have to do the other side of the pony ball over there, but to be determined. I'll find out. Anywho, we'll catch you tomorrow. Finish putting this pipe in, and the headaches will be over. That was a major headache. This won't be too bad. It's just a little ditch basically. I gotta fill the pipe in and then cover it up. Sprinkle some of this gravel. Get rid of the dirt and flatten this area out so it's a nice crawl. It's not a bad crawl now, but make it nice and flat. We'll go from there. Okay, I forgot to turn the camera on again. Oh well. Anyways, I got my other pipe stubbed in. I am gonna clean that out before I set the pump, and I'm covering up the ditch. Get this all covered up. We'll set the pump, get it going, test it out, and then get rid of all this dirt. Fun, bucket by bucket. Anywho, we'll get you set up and repeat. Get this all covered up. Okay, there we go. I put a union on in case I got to take this thing apart. And then I got a check valve, as they suggested, probably so you don't fill it back up with water. And I'm going to go with PEX from here, down the wall, turn the corner, and go out the back side. anyways, got the water out, tested it, and it works. So hopefully, with any luck, it'll work. Oops. Gonna take this wire up so it ain't hanging. Guess I should have started up here. Flopping around it that way. Just let it hang down like so. Alright. Well, I can go out. I'm going to tighten those nuts up, or bolts I mean. To clean this up, but let the guy out watch. If you're gonna make it, or you're gonna build it, make it beautiful. Okay. That can go. Those can go out. Those in my pocket. Anyways, let me show you what I got going on here. This is actually for sewage pump, but I don't know if you can see in there. Oh, there's one pipe coming in, and my pump. So anyways, this has an extra hole in the lid for a vent for a pooper pump, which I don't have. I modified this. Stuck a piece of pipe in there, put a piece of screen in there so the rodents don't climb in there. Power from my pump. My discharge goes up and over and down and around and out the end. Glad that's, well, it's not over with. I still have all this dirt to get rid of here and rake the gravel out a little bit. And man, I hope we get 6 inches of rain, because I'd like to see if this thing is going to work. I think it will. I'm pretty sure it will, but we'll find out. Anyways, let me get cleaned up here, and we'll get the heck out of here for today. All that dirt to get rid of. All of that dirt to get rid of.
I've been working like a dog, day and night, trying to finish up this job and do it right. There's only a few things that a man like me needs, and taste this whiskey, and you're right next to me, singing, hey honey, I'm coming home. Don't know why I'm gone so long. Hey honey, I'm coming home to you. Say, hey honey, promise please you're gonna be the light on for me. Hey, honey, I'm coming home soon. You know what we're gonna do. Heaven knows that you put your time into it. Hell of a woman, sweet red wine, and how you choose. Well, let's get one thing straight, it ain't about what you do for me. Well, I'm gonna love you, and I love you loving me. Singing, hey, honey, coming home. I don't know why I've been gone so long. Hey, honey, I'm coming home to you. Said, hey, honey, promise please that you're gonna be the light on for me. Hey, honey, I'm coming home soon. You know what we're gonna do, yeah. Coming home, I don't know why I've been gone so long. Hey, honey, coming home, don't know why I've been gone so long. Said, hey, honey, coming home, don't know why I've been gone so long. Said, hey.
Get rid of that. Anyways, oh crap, I'm taking the glove off. Pan around here now that we got everything all mucked up. That's my sump pump, and I have a drain corrugated pipe from that corner to there, and from there around to that corner, down this side, and down to that corner. I believe that's where all the water was coming into. I didn't do that side like a dumbass. I should have done it. Anyways, it's done. Cross your fingers. If this takes care of everything, this is not the normal. I can tell you that. I don't know what's going on with my outside punch drain, but apparently it's not doing it. So this should do it. We'll see. Anyways, I got the fans going down here. Let this thing dry out. Clean my mess up here. Let me make sure all these vents on the wall are cleared out. Looks like there's a few leaves in there. Clean them out so we get as much airflow as we can get. I'm happy to put lights in down here. That made a world of difference. At least I wasn't dragging a light around, all that. I do have a plug in there for my pump. I was going to, I just didn't. Usually I put a plug in next to the switch. Everything's pretty much battery powered these days, so it is nice to have though if needed. Well, that concludes our disaster, hopefully, and I'm going to climb out of here and go on to installation. Peace.